हे मोर प्रिय प्रभु, हे ईश्वर, हे जगदीश्वर, हे सर्वशक्तिमान, हे अनंत कल्याणमय, हे विश्व ब्रह्मांड ठाकुर, आपणକୁ ମୁଁ କୋଟି କୋଟି ନିବେଦନ ଜଣାଉଛି, କୋଟି କୋଟି କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜଣାଉଛି, କୋଟି କୋଟି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଜଣାଉଛି। हे ମୋର ପ୍ରିୟ ଭଗବାନ, I don't know how to begin। ମୁଁ କେଉଁଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବି, କେଉଁଠି ଶେଷ କରିବି, କିଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ନାହିଁ। But you already know everything, even what I feel and what I hide। Sometimes I feel lost, sometimes I cry in silence। କେତେବେଳେ ମୋତେ ଏମିତି ଲାଗେ ମୁଁ ହାରିଗଲି, ମୁଁ ଅସହାୟ। But even then, deep inside, I feel you। I feel your love, your presence, and your silence embrace। हे भगवान, हे ईश्वर, thank you for staying even when I pushed you away। Thank you for guiding me when I didn't know I was being led। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଭଗବାନ, ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଯେ ଆପଣ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋ ସହିତ ରହିଛନ୍ତି, ମୋ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ପ୍ରଶ୍ୱାସ, ମୋ ସ୍ନାୟୁ, ମୋର ଆଖିର ଅଶ୍ରୁ ମଧ୍ୟରେ। You are my strength when I am weak। You are my light when I am darkness। You are my light when I am in darkness। You are the only one who knows the reality। हे मोर प्रिय भगवान, हे अंतर्यामी, हे ईश्वर, हे विश्व ब्रह्मांड ठाकुर, हे आदि अनंत, हे मोर प्रिय भगवान। In this noisy world, I come to you in silence। ମୋ ମନ ଅନେକ କଥା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ, ଅନେକ କିଛି କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଶବ୍ଦହୀନ। ମୋ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଶବ୍ଦ ନାହିଁ, ଭାଷା ନାହିଁ। Only you can hear what my heart whispers। Sometimes I just want to sit near you। Say nothing, ask nothing, just be in your light, in your presence। ମୁଁ ଚାହେଁ ମୋ ନୀରବତା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଆପଣ ମୋ ସହିତ ଥାନ୍ତୁ, ମୋ ପାଖେ ପାଖେ ଥାନ୍ତୁ। There are days when I smile outside but cry inside। Still I know you see it all। You understand even when I say nothing। You understand even when I say nothing। हे भगवान, हे प्रभु, हे चिरंतन सत्य, हे मोर आलोक वर्तिका। Why do you love me so much? Why do you love me so much? When I break, you gather my peace। When I lose myself, you bring me home। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦୟା, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ଅସୀମ, ଅକ୍ଷୟ। I may know what tomorrow holds। I may not know what tomorrow holds, but you know who holds tomorrow, you। And that is enough। ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ମୋର ଯାହା କିଛି ହେଇଯାଉ, ମୋର ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି କ'ଣ ହବ ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ନା, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଜଣେ କେହି ଅଛି ଯେ ମୋତେ ଧରିପାରିବ। That is enough। Help me release the weight I carry। Heal the wounds I hide। Fill me with trust trust that everything is unfolding perfectly in your time. Thank you for loving. Thank you for loving me when I didn't love myself. Thank you for holding me through every storm. You are not far. You are not far. You are within me. You are within me. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଂଶ. ଆପଣ ମୋର ଆଶା. ଆପଣ ମୋର ଆଲୋକ. ଆପଣ ମୋର ଆଶ୍ରୟ. Stay with me. Guide me. Forgive me. And love me. Forever yours. A soul that remembers you. Thank you, God. Thank you, ମୋର ଈଶ୍ୱର. Thank you, ମୋର ପରମ ପ୍ରଭୁ. From the bottom of my heart, I bow to you with folded hands. I bow to you with folded hands. Thank you, God. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ପ୍ରଭୁ. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ 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 ମୋତେ ଆପଣ ଏ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଜୀବନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. For every breath, for every moment, for every miracle. I didn't even notice. I thank you. You are my protector. You are my protector, my silent strength. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଅନ୍ଧାରରେ ଆପଣ ମୋର ଆଲୋକର ବର୍ତ୍ତିକା. When I didn't see the way, you carried me. When I cried alone, you wiped my heart, my tears. ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ପଡ଼େ ଆପଣ ମୋତେ ଉଠେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି. How can I even thank you enough? Your love is not based on my perfection. It is pure, endless, unconditional. Even when I forget you, you never forget me. It is pure. Your love is pure, endless, unconditional. Even when I forget you, you never forget me. You gave me family, food, shelter, peace. You gave me challenges, not to break me, but to shape me. You are my teacher. You are my friend. You are my everything. You are my everything. I praise you with all that I am. I praise you with all that I am. You are the light. You are the creator. The one who hears even my unspoken prayers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, God. हे मोर प्रिय भगवान, कोटि कोटि अशेष अशेष धन्यवाद सहित, कोटि कोटि प्रणिपात सहित आपणଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ମୋର ସର୍ବସ୍ୱ ସମର୍ପଣ କରୁଛି. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ.